Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can add or remove Google account on our Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to scroll your screen until you find accounts and backup, and it's over here. Just tap on it. And after that, we can click on manage accounts and choose the account that you want to remove. And for example, I'm going to remove this account, so just tap on the account. And if we want to remove the account, we can click on remove account right here. And if we want to add new account to this Android phone, we can scroll down. Then we can click on add account right here. Alright, and since we want to add Google account, we can click on Google. Then wait guys. Alright, and you can input your email or your phone right here. And you can also create new account to be added to your Android phone. Okay guys, and that's how we can add or remove Google account on our Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.